Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today I'm going to share you with how to get free EOD data for AmiBroker. Some subscribers are asking me about how to get the EOD data for AmiBroker. This is not a live data, this is for EOD data, end of the day report. Let's see. Just go to the google.com, then here you just type get bow copy. Then you can see the website getbowcopy.com. Click it. Here go to the download button and just download this Get Bow Copy version 2.1.11. I already downloaded this version. Once you download and extract it, you get a software like this, Get Bow Copy. Open here, and this option you can set it. General, just leave it, and equity, just click next. And here you can create a folder. I'm already created a folder here in download section. Get Bow Copy EOD data. This is already created folder. Okay. Once you created, just click next, save. Okay. So here you can select any date. Last 5 days or 1 year, 2 year. So if you select more time period, it will take more time. For example, I will show you 5 days. Okay, then click download button. It will start downloading. Then go to the AmiBroker software, go to the file section. Here you can see import wizard, just click it, and pick files, just click pick files. Here EOD data, just click it and select all, Ctrl A, then open, click next, finish. See, the data is updating. So here I am already downloaded few data before, that's why. So we can get 2 years data, 3 years data, but it will take more time. And any stocks you can check it. That are still Intel. Okay. Intelco. So you will get the daily chart. All Nifty registered stocks you will get here. This is a free data, no need to pay. For live data, you just contact me. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasmiller2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasmiller.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.